Good morning students. Today I will be explaining you new topic discount. Children, sometime in order to dispose of old or damaged goods or articles or to increase the sales or to attract customers to buy their products, shopkeeper they offer goods at reduced prices. And you must have seen banners like special offer, huge sale, discount up to 50%, 80%, rush to avail or lifetime opportunity and so on. Discount means reduction in prices. Children, when you go to buy any article from the market, so you must have seen one tag price that is known as the mark price abbreviated. It is written abbreviated form MP or catalog price. Sometimes it is known as listed price also or advertised price also. So children, discount is always calculated on the mark price. So mark price, the price printed on the article or written on a slip that is attached to the article is known as mark price or catalog price or advertised price. And children, discount is always calculated on the mark price. The amount, children, what is discount? The amount deducted from the mark price of an article is called discount. Children, and whenever you are availing any discount, so what do you do? From the mark price you subtract discount, and that amount you have to pay to the shopkeeper. So in that case, selling price is mark price minus discount. So in some time you know what is the discount given to you and what is the mark price of the article, and you have to calculate discount percentage. Formula for discount percentage is discount upon mark price into 100. So one new formula of selling price is, children, 1 minus D. D is date of discount upon 100 of mark price. Children, successive discounts are also given sometimes. Suppose a discount of 15% is given on the mark price of an article and further a discount of 5% is given on the reduced price. So then we say that two successive discounts are D1 and D2, and in that case SP is 1 minus D1 upon 100 and 1 minus D2 upon 100 of mark price. In that case you will not add these two successive discount D1 plus D2 because second discount will be given on the reduced price after D1. Okay children, now I will explain you by giving example. Suppose a dinner set is marked at rupees 2600. So what is the mark price of the dinner set? 2600, and the shopkeeper offers 10% discount on it, right? So you feel very happy that you are getting 10% discount. So you have to find the discount and the net price the customer pays that you have to pay. Suppose you are a customer. So mark price is 2600 and the shopkeeper is giving you discount of 10%. So discount 10% will be calculated on the mark price 2600. So amount of discount is 10% of 2600. 10% means 10 upon 100 of 2600. So it will come out 260. So 260 is discount. Now whatever price customer has to pay, that what will he do? From the mark price, he will subtract discount. So mark price was 2600 and discount is 260. So after subtracting, it is coming 2340. It means customer has to pay 2340 rupees to the shopkeeper. Children, suppose the next example is an item marked at rupees 650 and is sold for rupees 572. What is the discount and discount percentage? Children, mark price is 650 and the selling price is 572. So you will see clearly mark price is greater than selling price. It means customer is getting some discount. So how will you find out the discount? Mark price minus selling price. From the mark price 650 you will minus 572. So it will come out 78. 78 is your discount. And discount percentage formula is discount upon MP, mark price, into 100. So 78 upon 650 into 100, it will come out 12%. Children, you must have seen during Diwali season lot of sales are going to be offered. So during Diwali season, our shop offered a discount of 10% on the mark price of all the items. So what would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 2250 and two shirts marked at rupees 730 each. So children, what is the mark price of a jeans? 2250 and discount on the jeans is 10%. So you will calculate discount 10% of 2250. So 10% means 10 upon 100 into 2250. It will come out 225. Now selling price of a pair of jeans is, from the mark price you will subtract discount. Mark price of the jeans is 2250 and discount is 225. So it will come out 2025. So now children, mark price of the one shirt is given to you 730 and discount on the shirt is giving you 10% again. So you will find out 10% of 730, 10 upon 100 into 730. So it will come out 73. Now selling price of the shirt is, from the mark price 730 you will subtract discount 73. It will come out 657, but two shirts are there, so discount will be double. So as selling price of two shirt is 2 into 657. So that will come out 1314. Thank you children.